Hi everyone, we have with us Jairaj out here. He has converted all the new IIMs, including IIM Udaipur, IIM Ranchi, IIM Trichy, etc. And he is going to join IIM Udaipur this year. Yeah, congrats Jairaj. How do you feel about the same?
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. First of all, I wasn't expecting converting all the CAP and new IIM calls. But yeah, after the results came out, I was quite happy with my performance.
Okay. So how did you go about preparing? You are from Nasik, and how did you go about preparing for the whole CAT examination?
So basically, first of all, I joined my tuitions with you. Then, as you told us to go about the preparation, like for verbal, for DILR, for quant, some specific things you cleared. Like for verbal, you need to read a lot. So I started reading. I started reading newspapers. I started reading articles from Aeon. And one thing you told us that utilize time when you're traveling. So that was the most important point which I adapted and which helped me. Like I used to travel for 3 to 4 hours to come to Mumbai for every weekend. And in my journey, in my train, I used to read newspapers, I used to read articles, and that helped me a lot.
So you were working and studying. So juggling between the
Yeah,
two wasn't it difficult for you? Plus, you were traveling all the way from Nasik to Bombay. Huh?
yeah. It was actually quite difficult for me to adapt to the traveling mode and also working. The life balance was quite a bit disturbed initially, but later I was quite, you know, रोज का हो गया था. So I was quite adapted with this, and I used to wake up early for reading and all those things. Then for quant specifically, like I am from a pharma background, so my quant actually was quite weak because after my 10th standard I dropped my mathematics and I was a biology and a geography student. So it was quite difficult for me to gain good quantitative ability skills because initially solving the questions was the problem, and later solving it with accuracy and speed was a problem. So it was quite a bit problem for me, but later I adapted quite well and I started, practicing with your methods and all.
So
So that
anything
helped me.
special that you did for quant? I mean, you said you were weak in quant because you have not done quant after your 10th, being a pharma
Yeah.
student. So what do you do apart from for quant?
Yeah, so initially I started picking up the old mocks or the old papers. Initially, I started covering the syllabus. First, I covered the syllabus, its basics, and after doing the basics, I didn't invest much time doing basics. So initially, I did some basics, but then I switched to a mixed bag of questions. I started to pick up from those questions. Like I did a smart study for the exam, not for the section. So that helped me a lot. Like going for the basics in quant, some topics like coordinate geometry, trigonometry, then algebra. So all these topics were quite difficult for me, but practicing solving, trying to solve without paper and pen, that helped me a lot in that section.
Right. So what did you do more? Did you solve more mocks or did you practice more? What? How many mocks did you write approximately?
I approximately wrote almost 30 mocks, but I would suggest each and every one to, not write much mocks. Like at a very later stage, you can write mocks. Initially, people start writing mocks and, weekly char mock do, paach mock do. People go with that flow, and that's really not helpful because if you land somewhere between 90 to 95 percentiler, you need to level up your game. You just not need to practice what you know. So that is what you told me and also other people told me, and that is what I practiced. I started solving and getting up with my basics and skills more rather than just going for mocks. Like you suggested me like कि अगर आप 99 percentile पे हो तो फिर रोज मॉक देना अच्छा है. Like नहीं तो फिर you need to do something with your basics. So that's what I did. I gave less mocks and I did my basics more. So
Okay.
that helped me.
So when you came closer to the examination, what did you do? So did you write mocks or did you take a break or what did you do closer to the exam?
Sir, actually, in my case, what happened was on 11th of November, I lost my grandfather. So all the relatives and all those havoc and chaos. So I just chilled out. I was with my family. I helped in all those things after, everything. And after that, I went to the exam quite chilled. After 13 days, I guess there was a cap. So I was quite chill. I didn't study for the last 1 month, almost 1 month. I was just able to study for half an hour, 1 hour more, and in last 15-20 days I did nothing. So I was just chilling out. And before 2 days before CAT, I just went through my mocks, all the old mocks, what mistakes I did and what not, and picking out a strategy. That's what I did. That really helped me. Like being chill and calm was the best thing.
You're also involved in music. Now, this is off cat. You are
Yeah,
also involved in music a lot. So,
yeah,
do you think having an extra hobby helps in terms of preparation to some extent?
yeah. Basically, yeah, it does. It helps you to make yourself calm. It helps you to relieve stress. So that's the best thing about music. And also, it helps you to get good marks in your interviews. That's what I got.
Okay. And can you run us through your examination day? So, did it go as per your plan, or was there some surprise? And the fact that you're not given mocks for a lot of time. So, did it affect your cat
Yeah,
day?
yeah. It initially did a lot. It affected my score. But one thing I would like to suggest all the preparation, all the guys who are preparing, that you need to be calm and composed while on the D day. Like you need to get up, you need to just get ready, you need to get into that mindset of writing the cat. You need to believe in yourself that you are going to do it no matter what. No comparison with anyone, like ये class का topper है, इसका ज़्यादा है, उसका कम है, nothing. You just need to be focused on मेरे को अच्छा score करना है, easy questions सब attempt करना है. That was the only thing I was aiming. And also when you were traveling towards the center, don't listen to any songs. Just put off the radio, go silently, and like वो songs बाद में दिमाग में चलते रहते हैं. So the thing I did was I asked my father to drive me towards the center, till the center. Then he drove me off. I was quite chilled. आधा एक घंटा पहले गया उधर जाके भी I was like meditating and preparing my mindset. So that was the thing which helped me. And talking about the exam, it started off well. Verbal was a disaster this year. Verbal section was quite tough. I used to basically rely on marks which I got on RC section much more. So I started with my RCs, and then I found out that RCs are quite difficult this time. Comprehending those RC was quite difficult. So I left one RC and I jumped off towards the parajumbles and all those questions, finding the odd man out, and that paid off well. वहाँ अच्छे marks आ गए. So that was the best thing I did. Then after DILR section, I jumped towards my DILR section, and in my DILR section, I was quite demotivated. Like initially, I picked up one set, I tried it for like 20 minutes, and I wasn't able to get what it was. So it was a quite big disaster for me. I thought I'll have lost everything, but then I took a 2 minutes break. Like after 15 to 17 minutes, I took a 2 minutes of break and I started with new sets, and then I was able to finish 3 sets at the end. So it was quite good. So that helped me to gain much more marks in my quant.
Mm.
So that was quite good.
Okay, good. So, you remain calm as far as the examination is concerned, right?
Yeah, yeah. It was
Any
like nothing to lose. So I was like, chill, abhi, theek hai.
any specific tips, maybe for people who are weak in maths or from people from pharma background, anything? So, any tips that you'd want to give regarding preparation?
I would just like to say that people from different backgrounds like tend to underestimate themselves a lot, and they panic a lot. Like even I did it initially. Like I was very much upset about my quant, my methods, my strategies. But if you practice well, you get the chunk of it. I would suggest you to prepare for the exam rather than for the section. I did a lot of arithmetic, but at the end, functions, logs, and algebra was the quite core subjects which topics, sorry, which helped me in my exam. So people run behind arithmetic and all, but at the end those questions, we can't say that they're going to come easy or tough or something like that. But initially in the exam I saw that arithmetic section was easy this time, and also the functions and algebra. So what non-engineers specifically do is practice a lot of arithmetic, and because of that they tend to miss out the easy questions from logs, functions, and algebra and those kind of topics. So I would suggest everyone to do each and every topic thoroughly, and then you know go about like prepare go about from in the mocks or in the final exam. इसके हिसाब से.
Perfect. Yeah. Thanks for your time, and thanks for giving a valuable advice to our students. And all the best for your 2 years at your IIM Udaipur.
Yes, thanks a lot. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.